guys, so this is all the pieces for the puzzle, minus suspension. Let's start here. Spec D tuning headlights. We've got the Status Racing fully custom suede seats. These are actually the GTXs. So I did the diamond stitching, the custom logo, usually the model logo of the seat will go there, their new logo, and then I actually, this is something they don't really do, but I did it anyways. I have it on the back too, so from the back seat, once I get a cage in my car, it has the logo on the back as well. So this one has that on there. So that is my passenger seat. So that is my passenger princess seat for Cam because he has my name on his seat. So something a little subtle for him to have in my car. So I am in love with these. They look so freaking good. We have the Saban OEM style trunk, the Saban BX style hood. We've got the Vertex kit. So this is the front bumper, the S Endurance front bumper. We have the side skirts up there, the rear lip back there. Let's go down to the tires here. We have the Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3Rs in a 245/40/17. And we have the Workmeister M1 3-piece wheel. So I got them in a squared setup. So it goes with the track inspired build. So yeah. And then we have our Mishimoto radiator up here and a new hose to replace. We have some coolant from Mishimoto as well. And of course, Odyssey battery to keep my car powered. Of course, some Scosche goodies as well. I have some mounts. I have a dash cam to put in as well and some other chargers, but this is it. This is what I got for now. Lastly is just paint. So hopefully next time, next update will be it all completed. So stay tuned for that.
12 seconds later.
This one, I think this one made.
My dad and Kate.
They snapped the...
So we're gonna move stuff. Look at that. Clean. They're clear. Bro. Bruh. Look at that. Literally day and night difference. It's gonna look so good. These is really, ugh.
They're cooked.
O'Reilly Auto Parts. Ow!
Meanwhile,
Hi.
the sash ringing, the trash singing, mash flinging, the flash springing, ringing, the crash dinging, the...
Yes, the hash slinging slasher.
Test fitting.
Look at the space here.
No, oh yeah, the bash bar is like way out.
You're gonna have to remove the bash bar.
More dangerous.
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
Freaking Eric. CBI.
It's got this much crunch to it.
See, if this bash bar was a lot thinner this way, it'd fit in there.
So, putting everything away, we're getting to a stopping point because of my previously damaged fender. It's not aligning correctly. I do have another fender at home, so I will be bringing that back. Take this one off, put the new one on, and make sure it all fits properly, but it looks good. I think it looks really good, actually. So, stay tuned for part 2 of test fitting.